Good morning. It is, I don't even know what time it is. 9:03. 9:03, and we've made it to the inside of Zion. I can't wait to turn this camera around so you can see this, but it is absolutely crazy. And we're at the part of Zion where we can actually drive through. And last time I was here, this thing was, I've actually never been on this run, but the outside of the park was packed. Now we're inside of the park, and this thing is completely dead. We've seen like 5 cars max. Yeah. Look at the turkeys.
Yeah.
Oh shit, there's a shit ton of turkeys over here. So we're on our way to Angel's Landing right now. We just had a little bit of breakfast, get some Red Bull and the protein shakes in so we can actually accomplish this. Let's keep it driving and let me show you this view. All right, so we're at the bottom of Zion, and as you can see, I am way out of breath. I've got Brandon here, and we met Jorge as well. He met us up down at the parking lot, and he's like, "Can we join you?" I was like, "Fuck yeah!" And we've been having a great conversation on the way up. My ass is gonna be the one slowing everybody down, trying to catch my breath, but let's keep it going. Yeah. All right.
Hold my gear, watch me do this and like hike somewhere crazy. Yeah.
Right.
There's always those people who have that extra energy to do a little more adventure.
Oh yeah, for sure. At that point, if you're gonna get back down, I would push myself over to the wall on your right and just grip on. Let me get over to the wall and then I'll grip you.
All right.
Nope, I'm good. That's why you stop. All right. You gonna go back up or?
I have to call it quits here, man.
Okay. It's all good, man. It's ice.
It's ice.
So
I can't beat ice today.
yeah. I think we want to try a little more. Okay. Okay. All right.
Well, it was really short, but
It was good meeting you, my man.
thank you so much for
No
this
problem.
moment, man.
Yep.
Hopefully
Have a
you
good
guys-
trip back.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. So we didn't know we need chains on this on this last section. It's getting pretty intense. A little dicey. We're not giving up so far. We're gonna try to make it. The worst part is gonna be literally sliding down this bitch afterwards, as those guys are doing down there. So it looks like we have probably like 2 or 3 more switchbacks to go. Yeah. So we'll see. That dumbass forgot chains. Not even forgot, we didn't even know. So we made it to Scouts Landing. I think this is Scouts Landing. And we're right to the part where we get to the chains. And it's icy. So
A little sketched out.
A little bit. I kind of want to start it to see if there is some ice or not. But other than that, I'm pretty content to what we've done right now. Yeah, especially that last part that we encountered. So let's see how it goes. All right, here's the start of the chains. Of course, my first step I slipped, but that was because I went down, not because of ice. All right, well, here's the chains, the famous Angel's Falls is in fucking Venezuela. Angel's Landing. We gotta do Angel Falls. Yeah. We're doing that. So I'm gonna turn my phone off now so I can have both hands. All right, so we've made it this far. It's like a mile and a half into the 2-mile hike. But the thing is that it goes straight up there, all the way. That's Angel's Landing up there. Actually, I pointed wrong. It's that one. It's a shaded side of the mountain and it's very icy, so I think this is what we're gonna call it. But I think we did a hell of a fucking job.
No spikes, we've done a lot.
No spikes, and we did this shit in the winter. You can see the road down there, and the river, and the valley. It's wild. All right, so we're back to this section here, going down, and yes, I am sliding down this shit. I don't care if I rip my pants. I can't tell that my pants are falling because I'm thermal. So my knees are dragging. Oh, my pants fucking got it. So we've made it down here to the bottom. Finally back to the, I think it's called the Virgin River. I think that's what that is. So finally made it down. Not Narrows. Angel's Landing was pretty awesome. We almost made it to the very top, but it got very icy, so we couldn't do that. Nicey, Brandon back there, and we are going back to the car. And I think since we have enough time, it's pretty early, we're gonna go to Observation Point. This fucker's going this way, so I might have to follow. I wanted to jump on that rock and go that way, but I might just do what he did. Just walking on sand, it's wild. Look how clear that is. So we got back to the parking lot over there where our car's at, and I think we're deciding to do Emerald Pools. It says it's only a mile, and it shouldn't be bad for pictures and all that. It's just a mile, probably 30 minutes in, 30 minutes out. Legs are doing fine right now, so let's see how strenuous this goes up there. All right, let's go. Alright, so it hasn't been too bad here. It's pretty flat. A little bit of an inclination, but it's nothing like Angel's Landing's inclination. So
It's all dry.
it's all dry, yeah. It's good on your feet. Even though I'm hurting from our last one, but it's still good. But we're getting there. Ooh, that mud was nice and wet. I slipped on it. Very good. gonna suck on the way up. There's a middle.
No? Oh, what?
All right, we made it to the middle tier of the falls. It just goes down and feeds into the river down there. And it comes from all the way up. Keep going, it comes from all the way up there. I'm gonna lose this now. All right. Oh.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, finally made it down to the parking lot. We did it.
Yeah. Concrete.
We did Emerald and we did Angel's Landing to the point where we couldn't because of the ice, but we made it. Damn. This thing. This thing is badass. You know what this is? That's a signal booster for your for your car, for your phone.
Yeah.
And then he's got this. I want this so bad. It's a full water tank. It's like, and you need it when you're like washing your stuff.
And he's got like a Pelican case on the other side.
Does he really?
Yeah. Dang. And you look at the roof racks are metal.
Yeah. The sunset. Just feeling up. Nothing else. So we just got to the end of this road here, back to like where we can get to the hotel, and these two That's the FJ from earlier. In, I guess, the taco, I don't know from where. But we also passed the school bus earlier. It's crazy.